Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you're doing well and having an amazing day. I'm Nafisa. I make videos related to art, bullet journal, journaling, studying, and lifestyle of a student from Bangladesh. I really hope you'll enjoy. I used to go to work with my family in the early morning almost every single day, but now after school has started in offline, it has been hard every day. But after coming back from school, I usually am so tired, and that's why I take a little bit of rest in the afternoon, and then in the evening, I have a little bit of snacks, and then I take all my books out from my school bag and then organize my decks for starting my studying. And after that, I like to see my planner or bullet journal to see if I have any tasks left for the day or what am I supposed to study today. I like to usually plan before my day started. That's why it's easy for me. And then I like to grab a glass of water because water is really important. And then I have my study essential like pen, pencil, correction tape, and then just start studying. And I usually study for like 5 to 6 hours in a day if I'm really tired. And I don't want to study more hours. Maybe I'll start studying in the early morning. But it's hard because my school is kind of early, so some days I usually have some coffee in between study session because it's refreshing, but most of the days I'm really lazy to make it myself. So after studying, I have my dinner, and then before cleaning my decks, I plan for the next day so that I don't have to sit down and feel like what am I supposed to do. And yeah, after all these things, I just go to sleep and usually sleep like 5 to 6 hours, but it might not happen every day. Anyways, I really hope you're doing well and having good days, and always try to take care of yourself, try to take rest. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video in the next week.